Sphere Finance has changed its liquidity pair from Sphere MATIC to Sphere USD Plus, which is a stablecoin. But why did Sphere do this? What does this mean for the project and the investors? Let's get into it. Since the launch of Sphere, the project used the Sphere MATIC liquidity pair to buy and sell the Sphere token. Investors could buy Sphere with MATIC and sell Sphere for MATIC. This was a good idea as Polygon's main token MATIC is widely adopted. However, as the market started crashing, the price of MATIC started decreasing a lot, and this directly affected the price of Sphere. This is because when liquidity pools are created, the price of the new token, in this case Sphere, is tied to the price of the paired token, which is MATIC. This means that 50% of the price volatility of Sphere is coming from the price volatility of MATIC. So when the price of MATIC started decreasing, the price of Sphere also decreased. And now that we are in a bear market, MATIC would only put downward pressure in the price of Sphere. The solution found by the Sphere team was to change temporarily the liquidity pool pair for one paired with a stablecoin, in this case USD Plus, so that the downturn MATIC is experiencing doesn't negatively affect Sphere. This change would essentially protect Sphere from the price volatility of MATIC. The stablecoin chosen as the replacement of MATIC is USD Plus, a stablecoin from Overnight Finance which is 100% collateralized with USDC. So don't worry because it's not an algorithmic stablecoin. It can always be redeemed one-to-one to USDC. Apart from the separation from the price of MATIC, this stablecoin USD Plus was chosen because it has another benefit, which is that it is a yield-generating stablecoin. USD Plus has a non-inflationary rebase distributed to all USD Plus holders in order to maintain the one-to-one ratio of USD Plus with USDC. This is because USD Plus yield farms USDC in low-risk strategies so that USD Plus holders can have a stablecoin that grows on its own without having to do anything. However, this change is temporary while the bear market continues. But when the next bull market comes, Sphere will change again its liquidity pool pair with MATIC, so that as the price of MATIC starts growing again, this propels the price of Sphere. And this liquidity pair change will be done easily thanks to the smart vault they recently implemented. What does this mean to you as an investor of Sphere? This change in the liquidity pair of Sphere will stabilize the price of the project during the turbulent times we are experiencing, and relieve Sphere from the pressure of the price of MATIC going down. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to see more to the point crypto and investing content. And if you're an Sphere investor, you may want to watch this video in which we explore if Sphere could perform a 100x in the next bull market. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.